Paying a mortgage with Western Union is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To pay a mortgage with Western Union, first of all, open up the Western Union. So, once you get into its site, you will get to know that you can pay bills in person such as utility bills, rent, mortgage, or a car payment. You can trust Western Union to help you pay your bills fast. Also, you can send payments for your car, rent, mortgage, utilities, and more. Then, search for your payee from your extensive list. After that, search for a participating agent location near you. And if you're a new customer, complete the Pay a Bill section of the form. Then, give the agent the completed form if needed, the bill payment, and applicable transaction fee. Pay with cash or a U.S. bank-issued debit card at participating locations. And after that, proof of payment is provided. Keep this in mind that choosing Western Union to make mortgage payments may incur fees and can take some processing time. So, plan ahead to ensure your payment is made on time. Additionally, it's essential to be cautious and verify the legitimacy of both the mortgage lender and the Western Union agent location.